Let's go. Let's go up the elevator. We're going up the elevator. We're gonna die. Like, seriously, no joke. We're gonna die. Final destination. Choo, 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 choo. Final destination. Freaking, oh my god, are we going up? Freaking, Tower of Terror. Whoa. Whoa. Are we moving? We're not moving. Oh my god. What happened? We didn't move. How did we go up? Before we go. Like, we didn't. Oh my god. We were like going, standing there like for 2 minutes and we weren't even going. Oh. So like. Hi. That's the weirdest encounter. What are you supposed to do? Coming up the elevator, and where's my key? We were going up the elevator, and we go in to come back to the bathroom, and we're freaking standing there and waiting for nothing. We thought we were stuck because it wasn't moving, and we're still stuck on one. We just took the like, oh my god. We're standing there, we're like, oh my god, we're going to